race a ticket during the course our ticket lift. Found
가방 좀.
Bro, I cannot believe.
I tried, because I had to walk around Chicago too. That's the bus.
Oh, thank you. 이대로 뺏길래.
맛이 뭐라? 근데 원래 이걸 섞어 먹는 게 맞긴 하거든.
It looks like a 빙수.
근데 이게 흘릴 수 있으면 조심하고.
Do you guys not walk a lot on campus?
야, 나 지금 가지고 있는 게 장난 아니야.
Okay.
딴딴해.
That's good.
평균 하루에 1시간을 걸으라고.
동생이 얼굴이 살 빠졌다고. 만두 같은데.
Wait, no, I forgot. She likes steak. She likes steak.
Did you listen to the praise song called Praise?
Praise the Lord.
Praise
I mean, the syntax
the
of the
Lord.
drums.
Oh my soul.
That was so popular. This is my philosophy.
Oh my soul.
Oh, Jian, do you what burger do you want?
Can we share one? Or are you gonna?
Wait, is that here?
It's like very limited edition.
I don't think I've ever seen it.
Limited time. It's happening.
I don't want to.
Okay, that color kind of weird.
I never had an M&M.
Yeah, this is my first time.
Yeah, but I also don't
I think I had a taste of the Oreo one.
Are you gonna be embarrassed if I put my camera like this and walk? Or you
But,
don't
like,
mind?
I don't care. But then you go to sleep, so they would have just like, let's go to Ty's house, which is also.
So you went out?
Yeah, but it was like you
Leaving me home?
Yeah.
Me sleeping and you
I
went
don't
out
know
with your friends?
I'm like, what? I cannot imagine someone calling you oppa. I was also cringed out yesterday when people were calling you oppa.
카메라 익숙해져야지. 누나가 유튜버인데.
Bro, you only have 100. 나타도.
아, 썸네일 찍어야 돼. 아. 여기서 살고 싶어 합니다, 동생이. 근데 그지죠?
돈이 없어요. 근데 여기서 뭘 하냐면 눈이 오잖아. 썰매를 타요.
Oh, like right there in the hill.
그래서 우리도 썰매를 탔었어. I'm not sure because they.
So
have
what do you
like a
study
class.
right over there, PK?
I don't study there.
But what did you have there?
Oh, like a class?
Mhm.
I didn't have it there. It's beyond there.
Oh.
A lot of people, when it gets hotter, they just sit down here and study.
I think it would be really nice just sitting down and hanging around here.
Other people do, but I never do that. I don't like doing it.
You're Asian.
I need to be in the library.
But they're so
Oh,
pretty.
that's education book.
Oh, I would have
never
been.
knew that.
I would have been.
never knew that.
I would have been walking up this hill every morning. I
Oh,
did
I
not get
never knew that
accepted
the
to this
education
university, sadly. So pretty. Wow. Bubble. What is it called? Bubble? Bubbler?
Bubbler. 저쪽에 공항이 있고
맛있네.
내가 오는 공항.
살찌는 맛?
Bro, it has 0 sugar.
But it's 5 calories.
Do you know what 5 calories stands for?
I know.
Okay, good.
I'm not that dumb.
Well, you're sounding like you were, bro.
They can't fly like sky, but then they can still fly.
They're literally flying sky high right now.
Oh, really?
They're going up. This is the most Starbucks, relatively.
Do you come here a lot?
I went here once.
Oh, because you don't drink coffee that much.
Yeah. 근데 여기 피스타치오 라떼 있어서.
Oh, pistachio is good.
피스타치오 좋아. It's like your business, right? If literally, if I get.
색깔이 너무 예쁜데? Boba place right now. Do you have a receipt?
No, just check.
And I got my boba with him. He's always been telling me that the boba here is really good, so I'm a little like excited to try. I got the matcha strawberry
can mix these after
with
for
the
you.
boba.
What's in this dessert here too? Walk with you?
Finger.
That's so weird, bro. 빨리 끝날 걸? 차량 하나도 안 들었는데 어떡하지?
지금 들어. Today is my last day at Wisconsin. Last night, and it is. What time is it?
I don't know.
Around like 10. Heading to McDonald's again. It's so close by. If I lived here, I would have came here like every day, which is not good. There's always reasons why I'm not here, you know?
Yeah.
So, here we go. Eat again.
I'm so fat. I need to finish yours too.
You are getting fat, I can see. But it's okay, we're students. We can get fat. We'll lose weight later. It's not like we both have anyone.
Sure.
Like we don't have any, we're not in a relationship, so it's okay.
Sure. Why you don't know? Okay.
No, I just know that you cook together, but I don't know how to play.
Look. That's her main. I'm playing. This ain't her main.
Alright guys, today is my real last day. My brother is carrying all my bag. So nice. Very nice of him. It's 9:30 a.m. My bus is at 11:30. So we're out to get brunch and just hang out a little bit. And then I'll be going back to Chicago. And then back to Holland. Brunch club. Oh, can you take it out?
No.
Really cute. Both are full service.
니는 이제 할머니를 볼 수가 있을 거야.
아침부터 감자튀김.
야 고기.
아,
고기 안
pork.
보여. 기다려. 고기는
맛있게 먹어보도록 하겠습니다. 어,
몇 기사 가야 될까 내가?
이런
두 개 정도.
두 개면 충분할 것 같아.
두 개?
응. Oh, they're pretty fresh though. Look at that. Good quality. Good quality.
Used to buy salads. Used to.
Used to, but you don't use it. Anything you want to tell me before I leave?
빨리 가라.
Here I am in Chicago again, guys. Nice to be back. 쭉쭉 뻗은 빌딩들이 많아. 역시 도시야. 오.